So the last 2 weeks we've been doing chicken recipes. However, several weeks back we did a recipe for kids, pizza crackers. That was a lot of fun. So today I want to bring the kids back into the kitchen. And what we're going to be making is a cookie slash brownie, a Brookie. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started here on Cook! Don't be lazy! Chances are you already have everything that's needed to make this, minus the chocolate chips. Take an egg. Some maple syrup. About 1.5 tablespoons. Peanut butter. We don't want the peanut butter that has the peanuts in it. Creamy peanut butter. Let me see, how am I going to do this? Take about a tablespoon. This is the tricky part, I guess. I want a little bit more peanut butter. Alright. Let me get this off to the side. Cocoa powder. About a tablespoon. Now I guess I should go a little slower. Get this mixed in. This is going to take about 2 minutes of stirring to get it to like a cake-like batter. Alright, let me move this off to the side. Let me wipe my mess here. Alright. Take a plate. Parchment paper. And pour your mixture. I was trying to get into a nice circle, but the parchment paper, I guess, is going to prevent me from doing so. Let's see if I can get it into a nice circle type shape. Alright, I've got an idea. I'm going to try to circle it out here. Good enough. Take chocolate chips and just sprinkle it across the top. Now this is where you can get creative with the kids. Do a smiley face or something. Draw a picture with your chocolate chips. Alright, now let's take this. We're actually going to put this, believe it or not, in the microwave. Microwaveable Brookie. 50 seconds is all that's needed. After that, take the Brookie off the parchment paper and time to plate up. Should I? I think I should. Confectionate sugar, whatever it's called. Powdered sugar. Only thing left to say is, cook! Don't be lazy!